How to add thumbnail in Facebook video. Let's begin with the video. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap on the What's on your mind to start creating a new post. Then select the photos and videos and choose the video you want to upload from your gallery. Once selected, click on the Edit button. Here, make edits if you want. After making your edits, tap Next located at the bottom right corner. Now tap directly on the video preview at the top right. At this point, you will be presented with the two choices. You can scroll through your video and choose the frame as your thumbnail, or select Add from Gallery option and upload a thumbnail from your phone gallery. Once you have selected the perfect thumbnail, hit Save at the top right corner to apply your changes. Finally, review your post and hit Share now to publish your video. And that's all. This is how to add thumbnail in Facebook video.